Good morning, Hoover High School. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, 2019. I am Mr. Burke, the Director of Student Activities here at Hoover High School. I've got a lot of information to get through, so let's get started. We've had a great turnout so far of students getting signed up for fall sports. Let's continue that. If you still want to sign up for lower level volleyball, lower level football, anyone in cross country, boys or girls, and our girls swim team are still looking for members. So get signed up. You do need to have your information turned in and cleared by us in the activities office tomorrow morning, Thursday morning by 9 a.m. So get everything turned in, come down and get those sheets today and get cleared by tomorrow morning. One program I've neglected to talk about, that is our cheerleading program. We are still looking for students to join cheer. So if you would like to join cheer, come see us in the activities office. We'll get you in touch with that coach and tell you how you can join cheer as well. So still looking for students to join our cheerleading teams. Today we've got grade level assemblies. So Wednesday, our 11th graders are going to be going into the auditorium for their grade level assemblies. And then tomorrow, Thursday, we've got the 12th graders going in for their grade level assembly during Husky time. We've had some great turnout for students getting signed up for Big 3 basketball. This is that 3-on-3 basketball league. Make sure you get signed up. Your team captain needs to have this filled out and turned in to Coach Bush in room 2092. That's up by the counseling office. So make sure you get this turned in right away so we can get that season going. And you do have a team captain meeting on September 6th in the library during Husky time to talk about the upcoming season. Again, remember that is tied to attendance in order to be eligible to play. So stay up to date and keep your friends going to class. Other things we have going on. Busy day Thursday. Right after school, boys basketball, you are going to be meeting with Coach Henderson on Thursday, August 29th in the boys basketball locker room. This is for all levels. That meeting is happening at 3:30 p.m. Then we've got Thursday, we've got back to school night on Thursday night, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Bring your families up. Going to have a lot of fun activities and prizes and games for you to play, but also your family will get to know your teachers and the other staff members here at Hoover, so it should be a great night. With that being said, on Thursday, we do have at 6 p.m. our first lower level football game. That is our 9th and 10th grade combo team. They'll be kicking off against Marshalltown at 6 p.m. Come out and support them as well. Cross country will be heading up to Iowa State on Thursday. Their meet starts at 4:45. They get to run that neat Iowa State course up there. So great opportunity for them. Good luck cross country. Our big event this week, though, is Friday night home opener football game. We've got Roosevelt Rough Riders coming over here to take on us Hoover Huskies. Should be a fantastic game. Very excited. Couple things to remember. That kickoff is at 7 p.m. There will be absolutely no backpacks allowed in the stadium. You must have your student ID to get in, and then also you must be eligible due to our attendance policy. So make sure that you're getting to class on time and staying in class. Other announcements, I've got drama still. We've got drama. Hoover Drama is excited to announce their first show of the season, 13 Past Midnight, a hilarious murder mystery that proves nothing good happens after midnight. If you're dying to be a part of the production, please pick up an application from room 1180. Auditions are Tuesday, August 27th, which already happened, but you still have Thursday, August 29th at 3:40 to 5 p.m. These are in the auditorium, and all new crew applications are due Thursday afternoon as well. All are welcome. So Thursday, 3:40 to 5 p.m. for auditions for the fall play, 13 Past Midnight. Then we've got our recruiter from West Point Military Academy coming in. He will be meeting with students in the counseling office during Husky time. This is Wednesday. Come learn about what it takes to get into the top-ranked school, how you can get paid to attend college, travel almost anywhere in the world, and how you can jumpstart your military career. If you don't know, West Point is one of the most prestigious schools you can go to, so make sure you go in and meet with that recruiter. Very, very nice opportunity for us here at Hoover. Other information I want to get out to you. Make sure you signed up on that Varsity Bound app again. I did see an uptick in people joining, so make sure you're using that Varsity Bound app. Get online, upload it, and get up-to-date scores. And there it is. Up-to-date scores on what's going on in our programs, all right? If you would like to do this program, guys, I don't want to be the anchor for this the whole year. So make sure you're joining Husky Media Group if you would like to help put on these productions of the morning news every day. We need anchors, we need camera people, video editing people. So talk with Miss Hamilton. She's the one who's going to be running this. So make sure you talk with her and get involved in the Husky Media Group. It's a club after school, and it also intertwines with newspaper and journalism classes as well. Now for the real stuff that you guys are really waiting for. Wednesday menu. We've got chicken poppers, beef and bean burritos, cheeseburger, yogurt box, PB&J box lunch, steamed broccoli, celery, peaches, and bananas. And we've got a couple birthdays. Happy birthday to Jerson Alvarado Trinidad and Malik South. Happy birthday, you guys. And my big shout out today, this comes from Miss Culp in the activities office. She wanted me to give a shout out to Jonathan Preston. Coach Preston is doing a fantastic job helping us out in the activities office and helping recruit a lot of kids into cross country, working really hard. So thank you, Coach Preston. We appreciate everything you're doing. All right, guys, have a great day today. And remember, a lot of great activities to get involved in. Make sure you're doing it. And come see me if you have any questions. All right, make it a great day, Hoover.